revered Secretary Mataji, respected Principal Mataji, esteemed teachers and dear students. A very good morning and happy National Unity Day to each one of you. First of all, I would like to invite our respected Principal, Pravrajika Gyan Prana Mataji, to share her thoughts on the significance of this important day.
Dear teachers and children, Namaskar and a very happy National Unity Day to you all. Today we are celebrating not just a day but the very soul of our nation, the spirit of unity in diversity. Our country is a garden of countless cultures, traditions, religions and languages, yet together we bloom as a strong and vibrant nation. National Unity Day reminds us that this unity is our greatest strength and our most precious heritage. This day is dedicated to the memory of one of India's greatest visionaries, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. As we commemorate his birth anniversary today, we remember his unwavering determination, foresight, and extraordinary leadership that bound our nation together. In 1947, when India gained independence, the land was divided into over 560 princely states, each with its own ruler. And they had the choice to join India, join Pakistan, or remain independent. The task of uniting them into one nation seemed almost impossible. Yet, Sardar Patel, with courage, wisdom, and an unshakable commitment to the idea of a united India, achieved the impossible. His vision gave us a single, strong, and indivisible nation. National Unity Day is more than a remembrance, it's a call to action. It reminds us that when we stand together, shoulder to shoulder, nothing can weaken us. In times when divisions and differences seem louder than our unity, it is our responsibility to nurture understanding, respect, empathy, and compassion in every heart. Children, remember this. True unity is not uniformity. It is moving forward with one heart, one mind, and one purpose. Our diversity is our strength, not our weakness. Every culture, every language, every tradition enriches the soul of our nation. Each one of us contributes to this grand story. What we need is empathy, respect, and a willingness to see beyond differences to the shared spirit that binds us all. Every one of us has a role in building harmony. Our differences should not divide us. They should expand our horizons, deepen our understanding, and strengthen our bonds. Let us listen, learn, and celebrate the uniqueness of every individual while working together for the greater good. On this National Unity Day, let us pledge to uphold the legacy of Sardar Patel. Let us move from mere tolerance to genuine acceptance, and from acceptance to heartfelt appreciation. Let us embrace each other, support each other, and together build a future where our unity shines brighter than ever. Let us remember, united we stand, divided we fall. Let this be the guiding light of our thoughts, words, and actions. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Mataji, for your enlightening words that beautifully remind us of our duty to uphold the spirit of national integration and harmony. Today, as we come together to celebrate the spirit that binds our nation, the spirit of unity, let us begin this day of harmony and pride with a heartfelt, patriotic group song.
महानता रहे
friends, for that inspiring performance. Now, to pay tribute to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the architect of our national unity, we have a heartfelt Hindi kavita presented by Manvi.
लौह पुरुष थे सरदार पटेल महान, एकता थी जिनकी पहचान, बिखरे राज्यों को जोड़ा साथ, गुंज उठी देश में एकता की बात, दृढ़ निश्चय से अडिग विचार से, हर रियासत को जोड़ा प्यार से, लोहे सा मन कोमल हृदय, अखंड भारत बना उनका स्वप्न, सीमाएं जोड़ी दिल मिलाए, भारत माँ के सपने सजाए, सरदार पटेल का असंभव प्रयास, जिसने दी हम सबको आस, चलो चले उनके आदर्श पे, प्रेम जगाए हर भारतीयों के मन में, सरदार पटेल की जय जयकार करें, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत गढ़े।
That was truly moving, Manvi. Your words painted a vivid picture of Sardar Patel's vision, a vision of one India, strong and united. To further celebrate this theme of unity in diversity, we now have a semi-classical dance performance that reflects the beauty and harmony of our nation's rich cultural heritage. Let's welcome our talented performer with a big round of applause.
हि भारतमस्मदीयं मदीयं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यं हि भारतमस्मदीयं बुलबुलः हि न सर्वे देशासुनस्तभक्तं मदीयं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यं हि भारतमस्मदीयं मदीयं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम्। पर्वतो हि सर्वोच्चः विहाय सशिराशचुम्बी पर्वतो हि सर्वोच्चः विहाय सशिराशचुम्बी स्वाप्रहरिणः सुवीरः सुसैनिकास्मदीया मदीया सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम् हि भारतमस्मदीयं मदीयं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम्। क्रोडे च क्रीडारता नद्यः सहस्रधाराः क्रोडे च क्रीडारता नद्यः सहस्रधाराः सपुष्टप्राणैः सनीरैः स्वर्गानिदं मुदितं मुदितं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम् हि भारतमस्मदीयं मदीयं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम्। धर्मस्य मेन शिक्षा वैरिताना विधेया धर्मस्य मेन शिक्षा वैरिताना विधेया हिन्दिः वयं स्वभूमि भारतमस्मदीयं मदीयं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम् हि भारतमस्मदीयं मदीयं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम् सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम् हि भारतमस्मदीयं मदीयं मदीयम्।
Thank you for this graceful performance. And now we present a heartfelt English poem on unity, a poem that echoes the spirit of togetherness and collective strength.
Good morning. We come from different races and strains, with countless hopes, with golden dreams. Our tongues may differ, color may vary, yet hearts are one, both strong and steady. From snowy peaks to ocean wide, one spirit flows, one sacred tide. Through joy and sorrow, loss and gain, the thread of love shall still remain. No wall can break, no storm can shake the bond that hearts together make. When we unite, our souls can fly. We touch the stars, we kiss the sky. So, come my friends, let's stand as one. Our journey shared, our dream begun. For when all hearts in love are spun, we are India, we are one. Thank you.
Thank you for that soul-stirring poem recitation. Now, I humbly invite Principal Mataji to lead us in the school pledge as we reaffirm our commitment to uphold unity and integrity in all we do.
I believe that India is one and indivisible. National unity is built on the common home, the common interest, and common love. I believe that the President of India is deep-rooted in her past, and that before her shines a glorious future. I pledge that in all my thoughts and deeds, the safety, the honor, and the welfare of my country shall come first, last, and always.
Let us now stand in respect and reverence as we sing our national anthem, honoring the land that unites us all. Thank you everyone for being a part of this meaningful celebration of unity. May we continue to uphold the vision of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, building a nation strong in values, rich in diversity, and united in spirit. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
आओ हम सब हाथ मिलाएं